Welcome back to Data Shark Academy. In previous lesson, we tried to import the data into text format as well as Avro format. Now the third type of format that is supported by Sqoop is sequence file format. And this is also a binary format. So this is also optimized for space as well as retrieval speed. So let's try this. Let's bring the terminal up, start our Sqoop command, and I will use the option file. Table will be employees. Target directory is sqoop employees sq, and we want it to be saved as sequence file. So sequence file, and let's delete anything that is existing. Now run this. Alright, so now Java file is created. It's connecting to SDP server, running the job now. Okay, so map reduce started. Alright, so it looks like it's going fine now. It's already done. So we have 1000 records, same as we were expecting. So let's see the data. Oops, it's SQ. Alright, so now you can see these files, but if you try to look into the content, you will not be able to. It's a binary file. So let's see, scat. You see, so this is a binary file, so we cannot see the content, but clearly we can save the data in different file formats on Hadoop, and each of the file formats have their own benefits. So based on the requirement and what your clients want, you may have to import the data and save it in a specific format. So it's handy in that cases. So try this out. Let me know if you have any issues. Thank you.